Nerve damage can be caused by various factors such as diabetes, injury, infection, or vitamin deficiency. It can result in symptoms like pain, numbness, tingling, or weakness in different parts of the body. Fortunately, there are some natural drinks that can help repair nerves and prevent further damage. Here are some of the top drinks to repair nerves and prevent nerve damage. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, especially catechins, which can protect the nerves from oxidative stress and inflammation. Turmeric latte. Turmeric is a spice that has anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. It contains curcumin, a compound that can modulate the activity of nerve growth factors and enhance nerve regeneration. Spinach and kale smoothie. Spinach and kale are leafy greens that are high in vitamin B, especially folate and vitamin B6. These vitamins are essential for the production and maintenance of myelin, the protective coating around the nerves. Berry juice. Berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and cranberries, are loaded with antioxidants such as anthocyanins, resveratrol, and vitamin C. These antioxidants can help fight free radicals and inflammation that can damage the nerves. Orange juice. Orange juice is a drink that is high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that can boost the immune system and fight infections that may affect the nerves. Ginger tea. Ginger is a root that has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It can help reduce nerve pain and swelling, as well as improve blood circulation and oxygen delivery to the nerves.